Okay. Playing Crosswalk on Nintendo. English? Oh, that was loud. First starting. Country, USA, of course. Must be user agreement and knowledge. Alright. Lower the volume some. Cancel. Don't want it more. Welcome to Animal Crossing Pocket Game. This game is free to start with its optional purpose. First sentence. Okay. Start fresh. Ready? Downloading. Note from Apollo. Reminds me of Jake's dog. What? Yeah, I'm reading something. Okay, so downloading is finished. Okay. Hey there, welcome to Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Would it be cool if I asked you a question right off the bat? Let's say you're on vacation starting tomorrow. What would you do? There, the world is yours. I'd explore nature. I'd go far, far away. I'd just chill out.
Chill out.
I would explore nature. That sounds groovy. A little bit powwow and with Mother Nature is also always good for the soul. Well, I think you've come to the right place. Take some extra time to soak in the sun. Let the ocean breeze mess your hair, up your hair. It's all good. Right on. It's been good talking to you. Maybe our paths will cross again someday. Groover noise, right, X?
Yeah.
I'm recording a video for YouTube. Okay.
Okay.